Okay.
Hey, Kel.
Hey, Laura.
We're on the Great Wall.
We are.
We're hiking.
And it's really steep.
Okay. But we've got jokes.
We have jokes all day.
We have jokes all week. Okay.
We haven't gotten any money, though.
Okay. Here I am. It's Laura. Hi, on the Great Wall. Hey.
Is there audio?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Okay, we're out of breath.
Okay.
It's very steep.
Kelly, this is the narration.
Okay, here we go, up the
Great
wall.
Wall.
And the thing that we find most amusing is that most women on the wall hike in high-heel boots. And, really unsensible shoes. Woo! And, it's kind of funny. So far we haven't met any other Americans,
But that's
but
okay.
a really cool guy from Laos who tried to push me over.
There's the view. Okay. Okay. All right. Kelly and Laura signing out.